Back home now, Arnett Gardens FC moved up 2 spots to 5th in the Jamaica Premier League standings, despite being held to a 1-1 draw by hosts Dunbeholden FC in their rescheduled encounter on Thursday. More in this report.
Arnett Gardens came into the contest brimming with confidence after back-to-back victories and were pushing for a 3rd straight win, something they've managed only once before this season. The Junglists look set to continue their momentum when 20-year-old Shadiko Wizard broke the deadlock in the 25th minute, giving the visitors a deserved 1-0 lead. They carried that advantage into the half-time break and appeared in control of the contest. But Dunbeholden responded swiftly after the restart. Atafaroy Bygrave struck in the 50th minute to pull the hosts level, shifting the tempo and setting up a tightly contested remainder of the match. Despite chances at both ends, neither team could find a winner, and the points were shared at full time. Arnett now sits on 30 points in 6th position, while Dunbeholden moved to 26 points, holding on to 10th place. Head coach Philip Williams described the result as fair, noting that both teams had periods of control and reasons to be satisfied.
Teams put in a good shift today and played some good football for the fans. Disappointed here, I think we created some chances that we could have gotten all 3 points. But playing on the road, getting a point, we are happy.
Meanwhile, Dunbeholden's head coach Bijan Thomas also welcomed the point, crediting the foundation laid by the previous coaching staff as the team continues its upward progress.
I think it's a good draw. Based on the play, I think we should have won it, but that's football sometimes. I just have to say kudos to Damien for the work that he has been doing before. You could see it today. I would just want to continue on this note.
Arnett will return to action on Monday against Portmore United, while Dunbeholden will next face Mount Pleasant FA. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.